Hi lovelies, welcome back to another journal with me video. This is Hanny and today I will be showing you the last page of my journal volume 23. I have pre-decorated this page with a Starbucks paper bag and some other ephemeras, print-on stickers and also stamps. And I realized that I haven't shown you how I journal on my decorated pages, so this video will show you how I do that. I'm always excited whenever I'm about to finish a journal because I feel like it's very satisfying to know that you have filled in all these blank pages with memories and self-reflection about your days and some of your deepest thoughts. So yeah, I hope that I can create more videos about my next journal, the volume 24, which I decided to handmade with some mixed paper. And yeah, this is my completed journal volume 23, and I'll do a flip through video in a few days, but today I want to show you the insides of my pencil case. I got this pencil case as a gift from an illustrator that I really like, so I'm very happy to kind of show you what kind of journaling supplies I bring in my pencil case when I travel. This is my favorite gel pen to write on my journal because I think the nib or the tip of the pen is just so small and the ink is flowing nicely, and it resulted in such a thin and delicate handwriting, which I love. And this one is the Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen, which is my favorite. I really think that the tip of the brush pen is not too soft and not too hard, it's just right, so it's very easy to control when you are writing. I also carry my Muji mechanical pencil because you will always need a pencil and it has an eraser on the other side, so it's really nice. This one is the Koi coloring brush pen in, I think it's woody or wooden brown color, which is really nice for accents or highlights or some stuff like that, just to add some colors into my journal. And this rose gold binder clip is really helpful if I want to keep my page open and lay flat while I'm journaling. My next favorite is also this Kokuyo dot liner, which is like a mechanical double tape in a way, so it's very handy if I'm traveling that I don't need to peel off any double tape. And here's a half circular ruler which is transparent, and I like it because I can use both sides either to make circles or to make lines. Of course, scissors to cut some paper, ephemeras, and other stuff. And yeah, last but not least, my mechanical eraser, which I also enjoy because the tip is quite small, so I can erase a delicate line without any difficulties. And that's all I have in my pencil case. These are the supplies I carry with me when I travel. So see you around. Bye.